Listen to the silence. The chaos of the day is over. The crowd has gone home. The world is shutting down. But for you, this isn't just the end of a day. It's the preparation for your next evolution. Remember, seeds don't grow in the blinding sunlight. They tear through the dirt and grow in the absolute dark. If you want to bloom beautifully within the light of tomorrow, you must master the shadows of tonight. This is your ultimate night routine to conquer the dark. Step number 1, the digital blackout. 1 hour before bed, kill the screens. Put down the phone. Stop scrolling through other people's fake lives and start focusing on your real one. Do not let blue light blind your vision for tomorrow. Step number 2, the execution audit. Stand in front of the mirror and look yourself in the eyes. Ask yourself, did I win today or did I accept excuses? Be brutally honest. If you failed, own it. If you won, carry that fire into tomorrow. Accountability breeds greatness. Step number 3, empty the vessel. Grab a pen. Write down every anxiety, every random thought, and every stress currently trapped in your head. Pour it onto the paper. Empty your mind so you don't carry today's heavy baggage into tonight's sleep. Step number 4, draft the blueprint. Don't wake up tomorrow wondering what to do. Write down your top 3 non-negotiable tasks for the next day. Build your battlefield before you step onto it. When you wake up, you don't think, you just attack. Step number 5, clear the weeds. Let go of the anger. Forgive the people who wronged you today, and forgive yourself for the mistakes you made. Carrying resentment is like drinking poison and expecting your enemy to die. Cleanse your soul before you rest. Step number 6, feed the silence. Spend 10 minutes with a book or in deep meditation. No distractions, just pure silent knowledge. While others are consuming trash media, you are feeding your mind the raw materials it needs to grow. Step number 7, water your roots, close your eyes and breathe. Think of 3 things you are truly grateful for today. Even in your darkest days, there is always light. Gratitude is the water that makes your inner strength bloom. Step number 8, enter the sanctuary. Turn off the lights. Let the room become pitch black. Sleep is not a luxury. It is your recovery weapon. You are not quitting. You are reloading your ammunition for tomorrow's war. As you close your eyes tonight, remember this. The version of you that goes to sleep tonight must be sacrificed so the greatest version of you can wake up tomorrow. Rest deeply. Grow silently. Tomorrow it's time to bloom.